In the last MooDeng video, we talked about the potential pump right here, and we are at a new level right now, and I'm interested in starting another long, potentially going for a bigger trade to the 116,652 area. From here, I'm starting this long. This will have a 7% price target, and I'm looking to take profit as soon as possible. Obviously, this video is not financial advice. I won't waste a second of your time, so I'm starting with the price prediction right away. Even though I'm being driven right now, I'm on the road, I want to add in a few trades to the portfolio. And right now, as you can see right here, we have VWAP curving up on the daily chart. And when we go to the 30 minutes and we open up the TPO, the time priced opportunities, we can see that we just passed the value area high, and we are going for we passed the value area high for 2 days ago, or for a day ago. So I'm actually very bullish on MooDeng. This was one of my main trades right now. Let me know your thoughts on MooDeng. If you're wondering how I'm up 274 grand trading meme coins, use the links in the description down below. See you in the next video.